Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning how to use Photoshop shapes. So to begin, let's first select the Shape tool. If we hold down our left click, we can see all the different Shape tool options. Let's start with something simple. How about a triangle tool? To draw your shape, simply left click, hold, and drag. And when you're ready, let go. The further the distance between when you click and when you let go, the larger the shape will be. If you want to avoid squashing and stretching your shape, you can simply hold down Shift. Now it will only grow larger or smaller. We can change the color of our shape by clicking here and selecting either from presets or finding our own. We can also create an outline around the shape called a stroke here and adjust its color and size. And lastly, we can also adjust how curved our corners are using this setting over here on the right. For something a bit more complicated, you can return to the Shape Tool selection box down on the left. And this time, try Custom Shapes. Some of these can be really cool, and there are a lot of resources online for interesting shapes. But as you can see, my computer isn't having as much fun with this as I am, so I guess I'll leave it to you to explore. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Leave any questions you might have in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials like this one. Thanks.